Hello friends, the topic of today's video is differentiation between supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Both are machine learning techniques, so let us see the difference between supervised learning and non-supervised learning. So in unsupervised learning, the data is labeled to predict the output, while in unsupervised learning, data is not labeled. So this is the main difference here. We use data which is labeled. Some data is trained, but in unsupervised learning, there is no provision to train the data. Then supervised learning is simple technique because labels are provided to the data. We are mapping features to the label, but in unsupervised learning there is no label data, so that's why it is little bit computationally complex. So in supervised learning is highly accurate since the training data is provided. We will test it. So according to training data, the model is trained, but in unsupervised learning there is no label data. So the model will learn at its own, hence it can be less accurate. So here we are predicting output based on the label, but here in unsupervised learning we are finding the hidden patterns. So this is the difference between supervised learning and unsupervised learning. And here input data is provided along with the output. This is the main difference. But here only input data is provided. There is no output data is provided in unsupervised learning. Then it is not close to AI. It is not AI means it is not close to artificial intelligence because it totally depends on the label data. Supervised learning is totally depends on label data, but it is more close to AI because there is no label data and model is learning at its own. So that's why we can say that unsupervised learning is more close to artificial intelligence, and it is hence it is used mostly in artificial intelligence. Now the algorithms used for supervised learning are linear regression, logistic regression, is support vector machine, decision tree. These are the algorithms used for supervised learning. While in unsupervised learning, clustering, KNN, a priori algorithm are used. So whenever there is labeled data, these algorithms are used. Whenever there is unlabeled data, then these algorithms are used. So this is the difference between supervised learning and unsupervised learning. That's it for this video. If you like the video, then please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.